everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a surprise video for you and it's another little review. I filmed this review a couple of months ago, but I think it's time for us to get through this. It's not knitting related, but it is quite useful. And once again, we're talking of my long-lasting love, the Kanken backpack. This is the Kanken Laptop 15 number 2. And yeah, what else to say? I'll leave you to the review and I'll catch up with you later on. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this is quite an experiment. I filmed this video the other day, but I realized that it's pretty much impossible to film a YouTube video in my house. I'm at the moment in Venice at my parents', and I really wanted to show you my personal own Christmas present. So I got this backpack and I wanted to review it for you the other day, but I started to record the audio and then it was awful. There were noises and I don't have a mic, so I only have my Canon G7X Mark II and the audio is not the best. So now I have absolutely the house by myself and I'm gonna try to record sort of a voiceover on this video. So I decided to get this backpack because I was looking for a sort of heavy-duty but as well stylish everyday carry backpack, and I found online this backpack that was quite nice, and the look is what I was looking for, as well as the review says that it's very durable and eco-friendly as well, which is something good. In fact, I'm looking for an everyday carry because I'm actually carrying this backpack or a backpack with me every day in work with my laptop and my gym gear as well. So I was looking for something that could fit. So as a little disclaimer, I bought this backpack by myself. I'm not sponsored by anybody, and I bought this on the official Fjallraven store because I've read online that both Amazon and other retailers sometimes are quite dodgy, and happened that this backpack was counterfeit. So not to risk anything, I decided to invest my pennies. It was a difference of about 10 euro and get the original one from the original store. I don't usually treat myself so much and spending so much money on a backpack, but this was worth it. Starting from the very beginning, this is the Fjallraven Kanken number 2 15 inches laptop backpack. It came in a pretty nice box, and you can see that even the tape has the Fjallraven logo. It's very nicely packaged, and I read online that all the packaging is eco-friendly, so it's a recycled and a recyclable, which is very good also because there's quite a bit of plastic inside. The material that I use in this number 2 backpack is a reformulation of the original material, which is basically a re-engineered fabric that is supposed to hold the time better. Is supposed to be waterproof as well as more durable, and again eco-friendly. So it ticks basically all the boxes. I'm looking for something that I can carry every day, that I can stress without any fear of damaging it and getting to replace the backpack in a couple of months' time. It's 35% cotton and 65% polyester. I got the color dark forest, if I'm right. This backpack has a capacity of 18 liters, is 28 centimeters in width, 14 in height and 16 in depth. You can see it has a very good, nicely padded sleeve for the laptop, and my laptop is a MacBook Pro 13 inches and it fits quite snug in the laptop sleeve, and it's perfect to carry the laptop to work. In front we have a bigger pocket, and this pocket opens all the way through, so it's very good if you use this backpack as a weekender as well. You can lay your shirts and your clothes without having to disrupt the entire inside of the entire content of the backpack. We have inside the classic padded cushion that you can use to sit down, or as well to support better your spine and the backpack when you're carrying it. You can see on the front there is a little pocket you can put inside your wallet or whatever small things you can buy. I put here my cover. I got as well a cover for the backpack. I'm going to use this backpack in Ireland, so it's quite rainy, and a cover is pretty much what I'm looking for to protect my computer as well as my books or my gym gear. And this is pretty handy. It's very small, very snug, and you can put it inside the backpack and that's it. On the side of the backpack we have two large pockets to carry your water bottle or an umbrella. And then on the back you have the straps. As per usual, as in any other models, there is the X shape, and this is engineered and started to be able to carry better the backpack without putting all the weight on your back. The finishes are made out of leather. It's very nice leather, very sturdy as well. I don't believe this will fade or break anytime soon. So I'm going to carry this backpack with me in the mountain next week, and the week after I'm going skiing with some friends, and I want to test this backpack up in the mountains in a quite extreme environment. Of course it's not extreme, but it's still snow. It's something that we don't see in Ireland very much. And then so that was the review that I filmed, and you have seen my fresh haircut that is not happening here. But anyway, the big question that we are all asking for at the end of the day, this is a knitting channel, so how much yarn can you store in this backpack? So I found myself bringing around with this backpack 2 jumper quantities. So we are talking about 2 big projects and at least 8 balls of yarn. Why would I need such a big amount of yarn, you may ask? Well, you are on holidays and you want to be safe and have some knitting with you, so you have as much yarn as you want with this backpack. By the way, I'm not sponsored by anybody. I wish that Fjallraven would sponsor me, but they haven't so far. It's just that I do love this bag very much. I do have another of this bag, the Laptop 17, which is a bigger one that is great for holidays or whatever, but this as a small everyday carry bag is just wonderful. In terms of the amount of 100-gram balls that you can store on this, well, if you squish them, I would say 20 balls. So if you're going to a yarn show or if you are going on shopping, that is perfect for a couple of jumper quantities. If you squish them, well, the sky is your limit. You can definitely fill this in very, very much. It's just a wonderful, wonderful little bag. You can get some accessories as well for this backpack. And I got a couple of these lovely square bags. In one I have my notions, so the likes of my meter tape, the likes of my scissors, needles, and you have it, what I would need on the go. And the other one, this one that is currently empty, I always carry a sock project or a very small project. They are about 15 centimeters by 20 Perfect for a very tiny project to keep tidy in your bag. So warmly recommend. I hope you did enjoy this video, and if you did, once again, consider to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in a couple of weeks with my knitting podcast, and before that, have a lovely weekend. Bye bye!